Hello friends, welcome to InfyGyan. Today in this video we have one very interesting question from algebra. So let's get started. We'll write our denominators cannot be 0, x cannot be -1, -3, -13, -15, -5, -7, -9, -11. Now we will club these two terms all together, these two all together, these two all together, these two all together. We will write our equation 1 over x plus 1 plus 1 over x plus 15. 1 plus 15 is 16 plus 1 over x plus 3 plus 1 over x plus 13. 3 plus 13 is also 16. 1 over x plus 5 plus 1 over x plus 11. 5 plus 11 is 16. In last bracket 1 over x plus 7 plus 1 over x plus 9. 7 plus 9 is 16. Now we will take LCM. So we will multiply our denominators x plus 1 times x plus 15 in the denominator. In numerator x plus 15 plus x plus 1, which is 2x plus 16. Here we will multiply both the denominator brackets, x plus 3 times x plus 13. In numerator x plus 13 plus x plus 3, 2x plus 16. In RHS, we'll write product of x plus 5 with x plus 11. In numerator 2x plus 16. For the last term, if we will multiply our denominators x plus 7 with x plus 9, in numerator we will retain 2x plus 16. Now, if I will plug in 2x plus 16 equal to 0, because this is satisfying our equation, or we can write 2x is equal to minus 16, x equal to minus 8. This will hold true once we will write over here 1 by taking common and putting equal to 0. So we can write in the numerators, value will be 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. First real solution is x equal to minus 8. Now we are going to write x plus 1 as x plus 8 minus 7. X plus 15, x plus 8 plus 7. Let me write here. 1 over x plus 8 minus 7. X plus 15, we will write x plus 8 plus 7. Second term would be 1 over x plus 3 times x plus 13. We will write x plus 8 minus 5 times x plus 8 plus 5 equal to 1 over x plus 5 times x plus 11, which we will write 1 over x plus 8 minus 3 times x plus 8 plus 3 plus 1 over x plus 7 times x plus 9. We will write x plus 8 minus 1 times x plus 8 plus 1. Now x plus 8, x plus 8, x plus 8, minus 7 plus 7, minus 5 plus 5. You can see if we will consider x plus 8 equal to a, then it is a minus 7 times a plus 7, which we can write x plus 8 whole square minus 7 square using difference of two squares identity. So we will write x plus 8 whole square minus 7 square plus 1 over x plus 8 whole square minus 5 square equal to 1 over x plus 8 whole square minus 3 square plus 1 over x plus 8 whole square minus 1 whole square. Now we have x plus 8 whole square everywhere. So let us say x plus 8 whole square equal to, suppose, a. So we can write our equation 1 over a minus 7 square, I am writing 49, plus 1 over a minus 25 equal to 1 over a minus 9 plus 1 over a minus 1. Now we are going to take 1 over a minus 1 to the LHS and 1 over a minus 25 to the RHS. We will get 1 over a minus 49 minus 1 over a minus 1. This will be equal to 1 over a minus 9 minus 1 over a minus 25. Now we are going to take LCM. So I will write here a minus 1 minus a plus 49 in the numerator. In denominator, a minus 1 times a minus 49. In RHS, we will write a minus 9 times a minus 25 in the numerator. We will write a minus 25 minus a plus 9. So we will cancel plus a minus a plus a minus a. 49 minus 1 is 48. Denominator is a minus 1 times a minus 49, which will be equal to minus 25 plus 9 minus 16 over a minus 9 times a minus 25. Now we will divide both sides by 16. So we will write here 3. We will write here 1. So we can cross multiply and write 3 times a minus 9 times a minus 25 equal to minus 1 times a minus 1 times a minus 49. Now we will simplify LHS, RHS and we will get one quadratic equation in A. I am writing directly a square minus 38a plus 181 equal to 0. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation for the value of a. A is our substitution, x plus 8 whole square. So I will use completing the square method. I will take 181 to the RHS. So I can write a square minus 38a. This will be equal to minus 181. Now we will use completing the square method. Coefficient of a is minus 38. Half of that is minus 19. We will consider squaring of minus 19, which is 361. So we will add 361 in the LHS, so in the RHS. Now LHS will give us one perfect square of a minus 19. And in RHS, 361 minus 181, value will be 180. Now we can take square root both sides. So a minus 19 will be plus minus square root of 180, which we can factor and write 180 as 36 times 5. So square root 36 is 6 plus minus 6 square root 5. Now we have to add 19 to both sides to get the value of a. So a will be equal to 19 plus minus 6 root 5. Now a was our substitution, x plus 8 whole square. So we will write x plus 8 whole square equal to 19 plus minus 6 square root 5. Let me write here x plus 8 whole square equal to 19 plus minus 6 square root 5. Now we have to take square root once again to get the value of x plus 8. So I can write x plus 8 will be equal to plus minus square root of 19 plus minus 6 square root 5. Now we have to subtract 8 from both the sides. So I will write minus 8. Plus and minus 8 will be over from LHS. We will get x equal to minus 8 plus minus square root of 19 plus minus 6 square root 5. So here we are having 4 solutions. So I can write 2, 3, 4, 5 are here, and our first solution was x1 equal to minus 8. So in total we have 5 solutions. Let me write all the 5 solutions here. So these are our 5 real solutions for the rational equation challenge. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.